Do, 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 do. Ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum. Just doing. What is it, Zeph? Do, 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 do. Ba-da-ba-da. Who's going past? Although you're not up right. Hey, kia ora. Good morning, and welcome to another super fantastic sparkling magic Monday. How was your weekend? Did you have a super fantastic sparkling weekend? I have to say before we begin, happy Thanksgiving to all of my Canadian family and friends. I'm pretty sure I have some family members up there. I know from my ancestry that some of my great grandfather's siblings ended up in Canada. So to my distant cousins in Canada, and the one I have already met online who is a seventh cousin, happy Thanksgiving to the Canadians. So we'll have a super fantastic sparkling day of thankfulness. But today we're talking about magic. And I was thinking about this today, and I suddenly came up with, there is sparkling magic all around us. Take time to stop and just feel it. Have you ever done that? Just taking time to stop and absorb the environment around you and just feel the magic in it. There's magic. I mean, you look around this world, there is so much magic. I mean, look at like an acorn, how big that acorn is, and look what it grows into, a magnificent oak tree from that little acorn. I'm like, wow, that's magic. Any seed that grows into a plant, that's magic. It's all around us. It's in everything. If you look at the whole food cycle chain, it's magic. You get fed up of different insects and bugs and stuff being around because they bite you, but they're part of a food chain. It's a magical food chain. It's all around us. The fact that you can take a big metal object and have it fly through the air, I mean, that's just magic. If you think of some of the science stuff out there, some of the science experiments, what was that one that you used to do where you'd put the two together and it would make this little mountain of ash? That was like magic. And I thought, that's kind of cool. How does it work? I don't know. I don't really care. It just gives a really cool effect. If I put this together and this together, and I can't remember what it was. I think magnesium might have been involved in that. Was it magnesium? Might be magnesium. Yeah, I think it's magnesium. You put it together with some other chemical and it makes this little Mount Vesuvius and you end up with this pile of ash. There's a little flame coming out the top. So if you think of things like that, it's just magic. There is so much magic around us just in everyday things. Animals and their intuition. I'm just looking here at Zeffie. She knows when I'm upset. And she'll come over and get me out of my funk. In her own special way, but that's the kind of magic that she has. It's a kind of magic. So think about it. When you're out today, think about it. I mean, it's just every day's magic. Every day's full of magic. You just have to take time to stop and feel it. I have to tell you, it is nice and cool here right now. Inside the RV, I don't think we're at 70 yet. Last I looked, it was 65 degrees inside the RV. Though the sun's been shining a little bit, it might be a little warmer, but I have none of the ACs on. As soon as I'm done with this live, I'm going to go open up the doors and the windows to let air out sparkles. We were out walking earlier. It was 54 degrees when we went for a walk at 7 o'clock this morning. I was like, yes, I'm walking out there in jeans and a t-shirt, and I'm just loving how cool it is, how comfortable it was. There was no humidity. Well, there probably was, but it was enough that it didn't make you feel icky and sticky. And we were just enjoying this beautiful morning out there. And one of the guys who we see out walking his dog regularly, he's this older guy, and he's such a sweetheart. He helps everybody around the park. Wherever I see him, he's like transporting people around in his little golf cart, and his dog sits on the shelf. He's got a little shelf built behind the two seats, and that's where his dog sits. But he looks at me, he goes, "Where's your jacket?" And I'm going, "What jacket?" And he looks at me and goes, "It's cold out here." And I go, "No." I said, "It's beautiful." And I'm walking around in jeans and t-shirt. As soon as I get back here, shorts and t-shirt. Jeans came off, the shorts went on. So I'm sitting here in shorts and t-shirt, just having a blast this morning, enjoying the coolness of the day. Like I said, as soon as I'm finished with this, I'm going to go open up the doors and the windows. And the doors, I only have one door. Open up my door and the windows, and I guarantee that as soon as I open up the doors, Zeffie's going to be at the top step there, sitting there, just watching everybody. Not that she sees much from that spot. She gets more of a view from up on the up on the dashboard. But she likes to go and sit and look out the doors and see people out, especially there's people out there. So go enjoy the magic of the day. Your tell your story question of the day is, did you have your own magic trick kit when you were younger that had the different tricks in it and showed you how the basic magic tricks work? And how good were you? I never owned one. I had a friend who did. I couldn't figure it out. Even following the instructions, my hand was not quick enough to do sleight of hand stuff. I've tried doing sleight of hand with the grandkids, but those kids are sharp. There's no like fooling, grandma fooling the grandkids. Yep, none of that's going to happen. But with Zeffie, at times I can get away with things. But she usually figures it out. She just follows her nose. But did you have one of those one of your own magic trick kits when you were younger? Did you put on your little magic shows? Did you have fun with that? Were you really good at it? Did you baffle people? I mean, I love watching magicians. I really do. The Magicians and the Illusionists. One of my favorite films, and as you know, I have many favorite films, is the movie Now You See It. That movie is it Now You See It? Yeah, Now You See It. That talk about elaborate illusions and magic tricks. Wow. Talk about a movie that has some twists and turns. Wow. When my parents were over here after Brad died, we every night we would sit and watch a movie. And then whenever it always happened to me at the same time every night, and I don't know how this happened. Well, yes, I do, because the Lifetime channel, because we still had the Direct TV at the time, and the Lifetime channel was doing this like from a certain time at night to a certain time at night. They were just doing Golden Girl reruns, and would stop whenever we stopped the movie. It would go back to the TV, and there'll be the Golden Girl reruns, and we'll sit and watch the Golden Girls for in half an hour, or whatever, and before going to bed. But we'd watch a movie every night, and my parents loved Now You See It. Is it Now You See It? Now You See It. Oh, now I'm like, doesn't quite sound right. Pretty sure it's Now You See It, because then they had the follow-up movie, and we watched that as well. And Now You See Me. Sorry, Now You See Me. Yes, Now You See Me. That was Now You See Me. That was really, really well done. And then they had a second movie that came out, which I can't think of the name right now. But I'm pretty sure I could figure it out pretty quickly, because that's just the way, because I had some of the same people in it. So you just go to the cast. I'm on IMDb, and you just go and see. What was it? There was Now You See Me. Yeah, that was, you want a movie full of twists and turns and illusions and magic tricks and everything. Elaborate. We're talking elaborate tricks here. Oh, yeah, Now You See Me too. So, oops. So those were both very good movies. Lots of twists and turns. Lots of great, elaborate illusion tricks. It was amazing. I know that it's a movie and they can probably do it in the movie, but if you think, if this is real, how would you even go about even planning something like this? But yeah, really good movies. So it's all about the magic today. Make sure that you and it just sparkles. It's that sparkling effect that life has, that effervescence. And just take time today to stop and just feel the magic that's in the air. But go out, have a super fantastic Sparkling Magic Monday, and we will catch you guys back here tonight around 6 p.m. Pacific time. And I say around because it depends when I get back from walking Zeffie, because now she's demanding around 5:30 that we go for our walk. And our evening walk is usually our longest walk. She won't wait until I do my evening live. She's not happy about that. So we may have to change the times of that. We will see. But anyway, go out, have a super fantastic Sparkling Magic Monday, and we'll catch you guys back here this evening at around 6 p.m. Pacific. Until then, hei konara.